Hi guys, good evening to all. Hi. Yeah, hi. Okay, so 42 students are only there. Let's wait for others. Start doing the assignment? Yes or no? Understanding the questions? Again, yes or no? Have any doubts? Please tell me in the Q&A section. No questions? That's nice. Just wait for others. Okay. Any questions till now sessions? Please ask. What we are gonna cover today? So we are gonna cover today file handling with Python. File handling with Python. Sandeep, you have some question? Please ask. You raise the hand. Rajvardhan Singh, do you have any doubt? You can raise. You have raised the question. Raise the hand. Please ask in the Q&A section. Let's wait 5 to 10 minutes more. No questions. Question number 9, Shubham Verma. Please copy paste the question here with the code. Write a program to sort files by date. Okay, sorry, it was 21. Any sample input or something else is given? Okay. Okay, I will cover this one in class. Okay. Anything else? Anyone else? Any question? Okay, guys. Now we are going to start because that's the only I think we have that today. Okay. Yeah. Let me share my screen. Visible and audible to all. Please response. Okay. So to save the time, I already put the whole code. Okay. So first of all, just doing the code, let's understand some basic concepts. Okay. So file handling, what this actually mean? Okay. Some file, example this sample.txt. Okay. This is a file. This can contain any like values like string, number, okay, and like this kind of values also decimal, whatever it is. Okay. This is known as the file. Now we have to perform operations on the file. Okay, so what operations we can perform on the file? Take an example while you are just doing all these things with the help of the GUI. So what's the main it is GUI? Graphical user interface. Okay, graphical user interface. Now take the example what you are doing, creating the file. Okay, after that what you do, write the content in the file. Okay, and or appending the content in the file. Okay, delete data from the file. Okay, so this kind of things you are doing with the help of the graphical user interface. Okay, got it. Now the same thing you have to do with the help of the programming. So how you can do this thing? Okay, let's explain you. So there is some modes are given to from the every programming language. Example, read mode. Okay, write mode. Okay, append mode. Okay, execute mode. Okay, execute mode. Okay, so this is four mode has been given. Okay, so that is denoted by R. Okay, this is W, this is A, and this is X. Okay, so this mode has been given to every file handling in the programming language. This is the one thing. The second thing, what you have to do, you have to decide when you are opening or creating a new file or already opening the available file. Example, I want to open the file in the read mode. Then you have to first define the name of the file. Okay, after that, mode of the file, which you wanna open it. Got it? So this is what you are just have to do. If you want to open it into the write mode, you have to give R. If you want to read it, given the read mode R, write mode W, append mode A, execute mode X. So this is what you have to do. Now how we can do with the help of the Python. Okay. Now take this code first. Okay. So I already put the data here. Okay. So you can see now I'm opening the file. Open is a function given by the Python sample.txt, and this is a R. Okay, I am opening the sample.txt file in the R format. R means read format. Okay, I can only read the data. I can't able to append or add, write or execute the data in this file, whatever I am opening. So this is what it is. Okay, now that the file has been opened in the read format, now the object has been created because this is a function Now this is an object. With the help of that, we can just call the other functions that has been associated with this function. Okay, now I want to read the file p.read and just putting all the things in the print, and after that closing the file after reading. So don't forget to close the file. You have to always close the file. Now I'm going to run it. See, all data has been read it. Got it? See, all data. Now just change the data in this one. Okay, save this one, run it again. See, this is what we did. So we open the file in the read mode, and whatever the content in this file, I read it. Okay, understood? If you understood, please response. Okay, now you want to write the data. Okay, so for the writing the, so this is what I can do. So this is the text. This is a new content. Okay, now I am open the same file sample.txt w. Okay, but in the w format. W means write format. Okay, and after that what I'm doing, I'm just calling the fp.write. So this is a write function. Whatever the text I want to write it, I'm just putting into this. So this is a text, this is a new content. After that, done writing, then closing it. So let's run it. Permission denied. Okay, 1 second. Okay, we already opened this one into the read format. Let's try to close it. Okay, and I'm going to I think this is not giving the permission to write it. 1 second. Yeah, so you cannot be done this one. Now just try this one. 1 second, guys, because IT is not supporting some functions. We'll try something else. Yeah, see, with the help of this, we open the function as well as put the data whatever you wanna put it. Okay, so this is has been done. After that, sample.txt. Okay, 1 second, guys, network is lagging. Okay, guys, so see, one question has been asked in the Q&A section. Why need to close the file? What if we don't close it? Okay, so there's a simple logic behind it. If you don't close it, so whatever the data we open with the help of the read or write mode. Okay, so that is going to be available into the RAM. Okay, so that will just taking your memory, and if it will going to take your memory or eating your memory, so that will just lagging your system, and all this kind of things will happen. Okay, so that's why we have to close the file. It's necessary. Got it? Okay, yeah, just move to the next one. Sample.txt. This is a read mode. Okay, this is a write mode. I just open in the write mode. Whatever the content I want to put, I put it. Okay, and after that, fp.read. So see, then I just this thing in this here. See, done writing, and after that, whatever I can put the content. So this is the content available in the sample.txt when I open the text in the read format and reading that content. Okay, so this has been done. Got it? So this is the write and read mode. Now try one thing. Okay, I am changing the write mode to the read mode and trying to writing it. See, no such file. Okay, so this will going to be take you the error side. Okay, so that's why. Got it? Now we are going to take the some other code. Okay, sample.txt again. Okay, now what we are going to take, we are just in this one. Okay, so it's working fine. I open the file in the read format. Now with the help of the seek function, seek is a function which help you to move your value or the particular pointer, okay, to the 11 characters from the starting. So see, 11 character means, see, come is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, then this has to be skipped. Okay, after that you can try from the LIE. So that is going to be just taking from this onwards. Just try to skip this one. Only this will be going. Okay. So with the help of the seek means you have to skip the first 11 characters. Now, if you want to skip the first 14 characters, okay, run it. See, this happen. Okay. Now, like 15. See. Okay. Now I want to just skip the first 6 characters only. See, to the file. Okay, now 6 means welcome from W1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From space to the file, all the data which is available in the sample.txt that are going to be printed. Okay, the same thing happen. So this is the seek function. Okay, now we are going to take the another one. Sample.txt read line and get the current position of the file. Okay, going to run it. 15. F.tell get the current position of the file handle. Okay, take the example like this is the current position. Okay, it's going to read the first line. Okay, so first line means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 14, 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, so this is the position of the first line. Okay, so this is all about. Now you want to just print this, so this will also work. Welcome to the file. So with the help of this, what we get the first line. Okay, so read line. So this is welcome to the file. Okay, so this is the basic operations with the help of the file. Okay, got it guys? Please respond. So I'm going to sum up it. Okay. FP is a variable, nothing else. You can just put whatever you want to. I can put your name also. Okay. But with the help of that name only, you can access the other functions of the files that is available in the file handling of the Python. Got it? Okay, so file handle, you have to open the file, you have to read the file, you have to write the file, you have to append the file, and whatever the other functions you wanna do, you can do it. There's a lot of the functions are available. You can do on the file, and file handling is very important. You have to do it. Okay, you have to do it. Now we will move to the next topic. Here one question, guys. Do you receive the yesterday's Python file, whatever we done in the yesterday's class? Please respond. To repeat the question, yesterday's file on which we did the code, do you guys receive it? Not getting. Okay, let me check why you are not get. Give me 1 minute. So in this folder, the file has been uploaded. The file, which file? The whatever the file that whatever the code that we are doing in the class, I just share that file in this folder. Okay, that has been given in the chat, in this drive folder. You can get it. Okay, whatever the code we are doing in the class. Now got it? Sorry. Yeah. Now move to the next part. JSON files. Okay, this is very important. Very important. You have to just work on it. Okay, it is going to be used in the every industry. Example, like if you are doing the full stack development, if you are doing the backend development, front end, okay, and hacking, data science, machine learning, networking, whatever it is, JSON is everywhere. Okay, now we will just work on the JSON. See, actually, what actually happening when we are just doing some coding? Okay, so we don't have to just put the single value. Okay, let me stop it. Yeah. Okay, so we don't have to just put the single value, okay, or one value. No, in that condition, what we have to do, we have to, okay, what we have to do, we have to just work on the number of the data. Okay, the number of the data. Okay, that's contain the text, and there are so many things. Okay, so many things are there, so many things. So in that condition, we need some kind of the file, or sorry, like, yeah, we can say like it's kind of the data format. Okay, so with the help of that data format, we can get the values, okay, in the right structure manner. Okay, example, there are the two popular data format are there, XML and JSON. Okay, XML and JSON. XML is using like so long. Now the JSON is very popular. Okay, so I will tell you the difference between these two. Okay, XML and JSON. Let me share my screen. 1 second. Okay, so XML and JSON. XML and JSON file or data format. Okay, XML means the data in the structure manner. What is structure manner? We can say, see, example, this is a structure manner. Hello. Okay, this is one. Okay, or we can take the name. Okay, Bob. Okay, name, close. Okay, alright. Okay, and now address. Okay, India. Okay, so with the help of this, we this is the format of the XML. But now if we talk about the JSON, and if we talk about the JSON, this is not the format. The format is dictionary. Okay, so this is the name. Okay, whatever the name you want to put, just put it here, comma, address, just put it address here. Okay, and this is the file format of JSON or data format. So this is a XML and this is a, okay. So there's some basic difference between the XML and JSON. XML is a secure one. Okay, data is not secure one. Okay, the time processing in JSON is very less as compared to the XML. XML as JSON is very fast to process, read, write the data. XML is not, and JSON is very popular nowadays. XML is not. So most of the industries and the libraries frameworks are using JSON, not XML. Okay, so this is a basic one. Got it, guys? Response? Okay, thank you for responding. Okay, so this is all about. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are see how we can just create the JSON file and how many ways are there. Okay, see, example, I have some data. Okay, like student data that contains name, not this kind of thing. We are going to first name, last name. Okay, roll number. Okay, and address, city, free, class or standard, we can say. Okay, school name. Okay, so this is the value. Now what will happen, the data of the school of the student that going to be the very large. Okay, very large. Okay, this is the one. Okay, now example, like again I'm taking the one more example, like I have the like 100, no 100, yeah, 10 students are there. Okay, 10 students have all the above data keys. Okay, all the above data keys, this one. Now how you can do, because here the one dictionary is only there, how you can do this? Now with the help of the list and dictionary we can achieve this. How? Just say it. This is a dictionary. Once you create the dictionary, you have to just now go through the Okay, one by one. See how you can do it. Okay, this is list, and in the list, okay, I'm going to put this. See, name. Okay, and also I'm taking the roll number. I already done. Roll number one. Okay, name ABC. Okay, or we are going to say the first name. Last name. Okay, XYZ. If you just can relate it, this is a key, this is a value. Okay, guys, this is a key and this is a value. Okay, so roll number, first name, last name. Okay, address. So in this one, we are going to take the Sastrinagar. This is the, okay. Now city, Mumbai. Okay, country, standard class, which class the student is studying. So this is like fourth class, and school name. Okay, so school name will be Central Academy. Central Academy is good name. No, take the anything. School name first. Okay, so this is the first entry of the first student. Now I want to put the multiple because this is only one. Now see, sorry, my bad. Student one, student two. Okay, I am putting the two here. Okay, for making the things easy. In fifth class. Okay, this is on number three, 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 three. This is all number, standard and three. So like this, we can do whatever the data we want to put. So this is a format. Okay. Now, how you can just validate this format? This is very important. Okay. Now I'm going to just open one file format. Okay. So some questions are there. Which one should we focus? You have to focus on the JSON one. Okay, and why they are used? So they are used because to taking the large amount of data, or we have to return the large amount of data from the particular function. Okay, that function is the ability to perform or get the data from the database, or the any kind of the data warehouse, where you have to just take the all the values of the student that are studying in the fifth class. So in that condition, there are the hundreds students are there. So in that condition, you have to use the JSON. So with the help of the JSON, you can put the values in the JSON, and easily that can be rendered in the front end. Okay, or whatever or wherever it is needed. Okay, so that's the reason. Now let me open one website. I'm not getting the where that website is. 1 second, guys. Getting from where I can get this. Okay, I'm not able to. Let me search it again. Multiple value like, yes, XML also include a multiple value like JSON. Need one website that can validate our JSON is perfect or not. Let me check. Which website is this? Yeah. Yeah, website has been received. Yeah, this is a website. So with the help of this website, you can validate our JSON is correct or not. Let me paste my JSON. Okay. So this is a JSON. So it is giving already the something error. Let me check. Okay, just remove this. The comma is missing. So we should be at the proper syntax. This one. Just copy it. This is a tree. Now you can see. See, this is a format of the JSON. Okay, at the 0 index, roll number 1, first name, last name, roll number at the 1 index, 2 index, all values are available. Okay, so this is all about the JSON. Now we put the JSON here. Okay, now we are going to take JSON. Okay, okay, this is a proper format. Okay, now I'm going to put in the one variable. Okay, like student data. Okay, so this is the variable. In this variable, all things are available. Okay, now print this student data variable. Let's see what is going to do. See, this has been just printed. This list of the JSON. Okay, so all values are list of the JSON. Now, what I have to do? I have to see for again we know value in std print value. That's we already know in the previous from the previous class. See, all values has been print one by one. See, this one, this one, this one, this one. Now what you have to do, have to take the every first name only. Okay, so what you have to do, first name, see ABC, last name, only last name. Now if you want to do some operations, if, okay, if the standard means, okay, class, we can say if value std, okay, what is the std, is equal to 4, then print the its first name and the last name. This is the first name and this is the last name. Okay, so std4, oh sorry, it is a string number. So abcxyz, abc3 and xyz, because abc2 is a standard 5. So with the help of this you can just save the data. This data has been saved, and after that you can just call this one. Now let's try to put this data into the JSON file. Okay, just cut this one. No, sample.json. Okay, now remove this one. Okay, now copy the read mode. Okay, I'm going to take the read mode here. Read mode, just uncomment the files, and this is the JSON. Okay, JSON. Now let's remove all these things. Okay, now what you want, we already have this thing. Okay, now comment this one, connect. FP is not defined. Oh sorry, my bad. See, all data from the JSON has been come out. Got it? Now try to put in the some variable. Is it possible? Let's see. Done. Now I'm going to run this one. Must be indexes. Okay. Okay, 1 second. Let's print what we are getting. Yeah, so we are getting this. Okay, so that means, yeah, again the JSON format is not support here. Okay, let's try we can just make sure this is going to work here. Let's try to see the type. Okay, in which type this ID is, just I think it is in the string. Yeah, this is in the string format, so we have to just convert the string. Now see, there is a very like logical thing has been come. All the data that we put in the sample.json is in the string format. Okay, let me just comment this one. Okay, see, in the string format. Now I have to convert. There's so many times that going to be happen. You have to convert the string format into the JSON format. Now I have to convert it, okay, into the string. Okay, so JSON file, it's working or not. 1 second, let me check it's working or not. Okay, now with the help of the JSON load is working here. Okay, now this is in the string format. Okay, str. Now I'm going to take the JSON format. Now there is one function. Okay, JSON dot loads. Okay, and I'm putting this string. Then I'm going to print it out. JSON. See, the list has been come. Now you can just access it, whatever the format you wanna do, because we convert the string into the JSON format with the help of the JSON load. Okay, let's comment out this one also. Okay, now this is in the string format. So see, I'm going to explain you what actually happened. Whatever the data we put into the this one, this is the basic thing that has been, we have to just take care about it. Whatever the file format we are using it, you have to just put the file format in the right one. Then you have to convert, because this is the basic thing that has been done by the fp.read. It always just return you into the string format. With the help of the string format, you have to convert the string format into the JSON format, and with the help of the JSON format, after with the help of the json.load, you get the JSON format. Then you are going to take whatever the values you want to take it. Okay, this is all about the JSON. Now I think there's so many doubts are there. Please ask me. I'm here. It means all guys understand the JSON and its structure and JSON load. Everything is clear, guys. No one have no question? Please type I am here in the poll. JSON and dictionary is same. Okay, I'm going to take the load once again. I don't get anything, sir. Okay, no issue. Any other one? Because this is something confusion, so that's why I'm telling. Anyone else has some doubt why we use JSON? Can, yeah, I will repeat it. No issue, no doubt. Okay, anyone else? No questions? So one question: difference between the dictionary and JSON. So dictionary is a file, is a data format where we are keeping the data in the form of the key and value, and JSON is a type of the data format. Okay, again it is again the type of the data format, but it is kind of the same thing. JSON and the dictionary is same. Okay, okay, there is no major difference. Okay, no major difference. Okay, now why we use JSON? Okay, can we repeat it? Okay, and explain loads one more time. Okay, see, load function, what is the, what actually happen when we are just using the open function, okay, of the file handling in the Python, is taking the whole data which is available in the like file, whatever the like where whatever that it is available. Okay, it's file, JSON file, text file, whatever is automatically, it's the basic functionality. I will read the data into the string format. Okay, now I put the JSON value, but the nature of the open function to read the file and save the data of the file into the string format. So whole data has been converted and stored into the string format into particular variable. Now what we have to do? Yeah, I am going to share the whole code today as well. Okay, Yeah, so whatever the data, okay, whatever the data has been available in the variable, that data's type is the string. Okay, now we know we cannot access the values with the help of the like string data type. Now I have to convert this. To convert it, I have to use some external function. If you guys remember, in the previous class, what we did, we just convert our list into the tuple and tuple into the list. Okay, now what actually happened, we have to just convert the list into the JSON format. So with the help of the JSON.loads, we can convert the list, we can convert the JSON format that has been just available in the string. Okay, this is a JSON data, but it is available in the string format, that's converted into the JSON format with the help of the load function. Okay, so that's the like working of the JSON.load. Got it? I think now you have to got your answer. Got it? Anyone else like proper understanding? Okay, basic, very basic functions. What's the nature of the function? Store the data into the string. Okay, we got the string, but we don't want to string, we have to convert into the particular format, that format we are looking for. So with the help of the extra function, I call the extra function, that name is the json.load, that will take the string into it as an input, convert all the data that is available into the string format, just convert into the JSON format. After the data has been converted into the JSON format, I'm going to take this data and do whatever the operation we want to do it. Now there will be the one question should be asked but not asked. I will tell you, it will only convert the it will only convert the JSON format values. It will not convert the any other. If the JSON format values is stored in the string format, then only it will convert the JSON. It will convert into the JSON. Otherwise, if you take the non-JSON format values that is stored as the string format, it will not convert it. It will convert only the JSON format that is stored in the string format. It will convert that only. Okay, so this is a basic one. Okay, a string and JSON, and with the help of the JSON load, you can do it. And you can also convert the JSON to a string. Okay, and that you are going to tell me tomorrow or whatever the next, whenever the next class it is. Okay, you have to tell me with the help of which function we can convert. Okay, whatever the function we are going to take to convert the JSON value to the string format. Got it? Any doubts? Okay, guys. Now let's to move to the next topic. Can we add data into the JSON file using Python? Yes, you can add the JSON into the. You can do this thing also, and this thing you have to do. This is in the assignment. Now you have to, you guys have to do to add the data into the JSON format. Okay, how you will do? I will tell you. You have to open the file. First, open the file, load the data, then make the changes, whatever and wherever you want to make the changes. Then put this one into the file. Okay, that you have to do, and just tell me on the Discord server. Okay, yeah, anyone else have any questions? Okay, now guys, let's talk about your one more thing is left for today's class. Okay, so this is the basic one. Okay, now I'm going to give you the basic difference between the like basic introduction of the OPS concept. Okay, so what is the OPS concept? Object oriented programming. So what actually happened? Okay, what actually happened in the real world? Okay, in the real world there is a need of the some real world problems. Okay, we have to solve it. So with the help of the real world problem that we have to solve it, there is a nothing has been available in the market. Okay, previously I'm not talking about the today's era. So in that condition, what actually happened? We need something. So if we need something, we are going to take the research, making the new things, making the inventions. So that has been done from a while. Okay, so that's why we are just jump on the object oriented programming. So object oriented programming means we the help of that we can just make particular object. That objects have the particular characteristics, and that characteristics have the particular functionalities. Example, okay, this is a object. Okay, this is a phone and this is a object. Now what actually happened? If what see characteristics of this phone. Okay, this is a phone of the Google. Okay, this is a one. The second, the color is the black. Okay, the third, the price is xxx. Fourth, the model is yy. So this is a characteristics. Okay, object characteristics or features we can say. Okay, the second thing what we have, functions. So with the help of the phone we can make the call, make the send the messages, we can make the camera, pictures, video. So this is all the functionalities. Now this is all about we know. Now I have to implement this all things. We have to implement this all things into the programming language. So how we can implement this? We don't have the anything. So that's why something has been introduced in the computer world or computer industry, that is the object oriented programming, where we will define the object that has the some features, and also that object has the some functionalities. On the basis of that we can make the some real world problems and real world objects. I am also the object. Okay, I am an object, I am a person. Okay, so this is the object male. Okay, what is the features? Okay, this is the features. What is the functionality? I can what I can do? I can do this, I can do that, I can do. Okay, so this kind of the things I have to achieve. So with the help of the object oriented programming I can achieve this all things. So this is the basic of the object oriented programming that has been compared with the real world. Got it, guys? Screen is not visible. I'm not sharing anything. That's why it's not visible. I am visible. Okay. Okay. So that has some this kind of the things. Now, what is the basic things? So basic things of the object oriented programming is class and object. Okay. So class and object. Okay. And we are going to say that, let me share my screen. So because someone is looking to share my screen. 1 second. Let me know once it's visible. Visible? Yeah. So like features of the object oriented programming. Okay. First, class and object. Second, polymorphism. Okay. Third, we are going to take if we take about encapsulation. Okay, spelling, don't go for the spelling. Class and object, polymorphism, encapsulation, inheritance. Okay, so this is a basic one. And okay, and this is again yeah, this is all about. Okay, so this is a basic features of the, and whatever this features we are going to take in the next class, because that going to be take the very big topic. So that's why that's we required. And for now I'm going to tell you the what we are going to be just going to be study in the next class. So with the help of that, you are going to just make yourself comfortable that already topics with the help of the Google or YouTube. Then we are going to take this study further, so that will help you to understand more like precisely and more betterly. Okay guys, now Q&A section round. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, abstraction is also one of the feature. Yeah, any question guys? Yeah, 21. Let me to sort the files by date. Yeah, let me share. Let me see the question first. Where is the question? And let me know once the file is visible. There's one question requested by the one of the student. Write a program, write a Python program to sort files by the date. Okay. Is visible, guys? No. Okay. Let me share it again. Visible? Okay. Thank you. Okay, so now if we talk about the files, okay, so this is write the program. So what's the question? Write a Python program to sort the files by date. So I will tell you this the files that the function is talking about your inbuilt files. Okay, whatever the inbuilt files are there. Okay, that is they are talking about. Okay, example, the file where you are just running that particular file. So with the help of the like blob, okay, with the help of the blob library you can just achieve this. Okay, so you have to read about the blob one. Okay, so with the help, I don't know blob is going to be support here or not. Okay, let me see. Blob files, uh, files equal to blob. Going to take the star dot whatever the text files are there. Okay, then going to print the files. Oh, sorry. Yeah, there's one file is there, sample.txt. Okay, so put the star. Okay, three files are there, main.py, json.file. Okay, now I have to just import the OS. Okay, because OS has the some inbuilt like functionalities there. Okay, so with the help of this print os.path. Okay, no, what we can do, I think there's one function is there, get file. Yeah, I think this is there. Let me check once it's working fine or not. Okay, now we are going to take the files dot sort. Okay, sorted. Okay, so this will going to be sorted. Okay, sort. Okay, so OS keys equal to OS dot path dot datem time. is in should be, I think, key. None is there. Okay, something. Okay, it is not written in message. Yeah. So this is all about. So with the help of blob is the putting the all the values that is available, all the files that is available, okay, in the particular file, particular folder on which we are working on. Then OS is the path.get time. Okay, then we are just sorting with the help of the by the time that's your the question is requested. Then we are going to join it. Okay, so this is all about. Okay, now I'm going to tell you tomorrow we're going to take the Linux also. Okay, okay, like tell me how many have the Ubuntu in your system? Ubuntu Linux operating system. All have? No. So guys, please, it's like, okay, it's good. You have the Kali Linux. This is a like suggestion from my side. Please install Ubuntu. Okay, because now we are going to take the Linux also. Okay, Linux commands and all these things we are going to take in the next class that will help us to understand the some basic of the Linux. Okay, so you can install the Linux. It is an open source operating system available. And one more thing that I want to ask you, I shared you the assignment or not, a study material on the first day. Have you gone through all the links that is available? Okay, good. Not every. Please go for the every link. Try it. I have sent. Okay, it's okay. Linux flavor should be there. Either CentOS, Linux, Red Hat, Ubuntu, Kali Linux, whatever it is. Okay, so you should have this all things. Okay, whatever that will be available, but Windows will be not there. Okay, Mac will be okay, but Windows is not there. If you don't have the Ubuntu or the any Linux flavor, please install in your computer. Okay, guys. Any other questions? Like anyone have any questions? No questions? No? Yes. Okay. Okay, guys. Then bye. Take care. We will meet in the next class and we are going to take the OPS concept and the Linux command in the next class. So be prepared for that one and do some research, some study from the Google. Okay, guys. Bye. Take care. How many questions do you have to solve for the assignment? You can just solve how many, whatever the questions you wanna solve, but solve by yourself. Don't copy from the Google. Okay. Yes, you can install the window. You can install the Linux in Windows with the help of the VirtualBox, and VirtualBox tutorials is available on the YouTube. Yes, I can going to share the all things whatever you are looking for. So this is the file folder. Let me share you. So this is this one. Now Discord server is also there. This is the Discord one. and this is the my personal one. Okay, you can just connect me over there also, and please start making your LinkedIn profile, improving the LinkedIn profile also. Okay guys, okay then, bye guys, take care, happy weekend, bye.